No. Hindi seryoso pa rin ito. Nagkausap na kami siya. Yata.
Metuge Koge Egerton Maneto. Thesis. The feasibility of establishing a manufacturing company in Quezon City which produces corn soy meal to reduce malnutrition among children in the Philippines.
Go, Koge!
Olodin L. Usodan II. Thesis. The feasibility of establishing a commercial study hub in Poblacion, Makati City.
Nasaan ba kayo? Saan? Saan ba kayo galing? Uy.
Master of Arts in Education, Alinor M. Kamal with high honors, area of specialization, mathematics, thesis, learning outcomes in grade 11 mathematics by 2 sets of learners after the utilization of 2 teaching strategies. Master of Arts in Education, Daniel John C. Cariaso, area of specialization, mathematics,